Greetings. Welcome to Monday Morning Motivation episode number 45, and the title for today is Silence is Power. Silence helps us to process emotion in multiple ways. For example, when you are angry, silence can be a powerful tool to control it. When you are in fear, silence can be a way to avoid drawing attention to oneself. When you are in sorrow, silence can be a way to process emotion and maintain personal dignity. And when you are confident, silence demonstrates authority and control. When you are joyful or happy, silence is power because it allows you to internalize and deepen your experience of joy. So, in order to master silence, we have to practice silence. And one of the best way to practice silence is by doing meditation. So let's meditate every day and celebrate life by using the power of silence. Thank you. See you soon next week.